Can you connect PayPal to Clickbank? That is the question which I'm going to answer in this video. So guys, we have this article right here which reads, Clickbank customers can purchase products using any major credit or debit card on the Clickbank order platform. Clickbank sellers can also add PayPal to the order form as an optional form of payment. So what that means is that you can order some products through PayPal. But what if you're an affiliate marketer and you earn commissions? Well, that's why we have this note right here which reads, PayPal is an optional customer payment method, not an affiliate payout mechanism, which means you cannot get paid for the commissions you earn through PayPal. You can get paid through 3 different ways, however, and we have another article which I want to show you. Right here, payment method and payment frequency. Clickbank offers direct deposit, wire, and checks as a payment method for clients to receive their funds. Accounts receiving direct deposit and wire payments, US or international, are eligible for once per week or once per 2-week payments. So that is the answer to the question, can you connect PayPal to Clickbank? If you want to make purchases, you can. However, you cannot receive your commissions earnings directly to your PayPal account. I hope you learned something out of this video. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.